Hey everyone, as you may or may not know, I made it to the top 30 of the NYX Face Awards. And after you get chosen into the top 30, there's a few challenges that follow. And the first challenge was the power of makeup and what the power of makeup means to us. To me, the power of makeup means the ability to be anything you want. Anything from glam to grotesque or beauty to fantasy. Here's my submission for the NYX Face Awards 2018 Power of Makeup Challenge. I began with a fresh moisturized face and covered half of my head with painter's tape. I coated that lightly with liquid latex. You can also use a bald cap. I began pre-painting my foam latex appliance. Before painting, I coated it with liquid latex and finishing powder to avoid it sticking to itself. I did a base coat of black to fill in the pores and details of the appliance. I wanted to do a blue skin tone, so I lightly go over the black with a light blue that I mixed together. To add depth, I went into the lines, wrinkles, around the eyes, and on the insides of the lips with some black that I blended out with dark blue, then medium blue, and finally into light blue. I used a stippling motion to add even more texture to the appliance. I applied the foam latex ears, which I painted in the same manner. I added black paint inside my ear to disguise my skin color. I used a glue stick to coat my eyebrow and hairline that would be covered with the prosthetic. I add a thin layer of adhesive to my face and the appliance and allow it to get tacky, then I slowly apply it. I added more black around the appliance edges and a few details on my face. To cover my neck, I started with a dark blue and worked on some other details while that dried. I used a black eyeshadow on my eyelid. I went back into the neck area with light blue that I blended into the dark using a stippling motion to add texture. I wanted a torn effect, so I used some scar wax to blend into my skin. I added blue and black to my hairline. Bonus, it covers my roots. I added some liquid latex along the seam and dabbed some NYX setting powder over the scar wax to seal it. I added blue paint to the edge of the wax on the creature side for a more seamless transition. Now on to the other side. I primed my skin with NYX Angel Veil. Don't I look angelic? For foundation, I used Total Control and shade Light Ivory and dab it evenly onto my skin and carefully onto the scar wax along the seam. I top it off with NYX Translucent Setting Powder. Time to contour. I go into my cheekbone and forehead area and blend upward in a circular motion. I start with the lighter shadows on the eyes and a white eyeliner in my waterline. I wanted a blue shadow that matches my creature side, so I used two different NYX blues and blended them together on my upper and lower lid. I used Espresso brow color from NYX and their brow brush to do my eyebrows. I did a cat eye look with a NYX eyeliner pen and went around that with the NYX liquid liner in Vivid Sapphire, a new favorite of mine. I added black eyeliner and lashes and then some light blue in the corner of my eye. I used another NYX On the Dot eyeliner to add some black dots around the eye. For the lips, I used Liquid Suede in shade Alien. Fitting, huh? To finish it off, I go in with the white and pink colors from the highlighting palette along my cheekbone area. And that's it, my revealed alien look. If you enjoyed this makeup look, you have the power to get me to the top 20 by voting May 18th through the 24th. You can vote up to 3 times a day, and if you'd like to see more, subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you guys in top 20.